Welcome to Travel Contact. In this video, I'm going to show you the new way to reconcile commissions. So once you're in the commission module, which can be found on the left side menu, you'll have this new option right now. If you click on Add Transactions, you'll see that we have the manual transaction, which is the way that you've been doing it so far. And then we have this new option called from an Excel file. That is going to give you the ability to simply upload an Excel file with all the commission information and upload it to the platform. So this works great, for example, for ONYX or TACS. Option, new window pops up. It's going to give us the ability to browse our computer for looking for the file. So I'm going to choose it from my computer, upload it. Once that happens, this icon is going to turn bright blue. We can click on next, and now all we need to do is simply map the different columns. You'll see that we have 2 required fields, and then the rest are optional. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and say the commission received. This is going to be the pay date, select format, then we're going to enter the confirmation number. I'm going to do the entire thing so it's very complete. Start date, choose that, end date, choose this again. Now we're going to do the service type real quick. Service cost, supplier name, the fee in case there's any. And as you see, as I start entering the different criteria, it's going to auto-populate in the right from the file. So we're going to have the client name, the agent name right here, and finally the client name. So once I have everything populated, you'll see that the bright blue icon of next turns up again. I'm going to click on next, and now I can enter all of this information. So you'll see the auto-calculated information right here, the payable date, the confirmation number, which I can enter at any point. I can add a description for this. So let's say test. Select the payment method. Let's say in this case it is cash, so no confirmation number for that. And then I can even add a memo. Once I see all of them, I can easily add the transaction and close, and then I can reconcile later, or I can go ahead and add the transaction and start the reconciliation right away. If I choose that, I'll have this new window, and you'll see that I have for review and reviewed, so we have 3 of 3. So in this case, if I select any of them, for example, they're going to show up right here with all their data, and then I can simply click on find and match commission. So if I were to come to the supplier name, search commissions right here, you'll see that I have the one that we just entered. So for $500, I'm going to choose this. I'm going to say confirm and add. Now I can continue simply adding all of this to finish the reconciliation. So in this case, I'm going to find and match a commission. So let's say the supplier name is Bebo. So search commission for this. I'm going to confirm and add. And then finally, the last one that I have right here, I'm going to find and match the commission for this. And supplier name is going to be Lion King. Search commission. Select it from the results and then click on confirm and add. I'm going to have my recognized right here. And then all 3 of them, I can mark them as unrecognized. I can continue reviewing, and in the end, I can simply finish the reconciliation once I'm done. Right here, you can go through them. You can take a look at everything that has been added, and that way it's going to be completely added to your records in the platform. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Let us know. You can always write to support@travelcontact.com, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much for your time and your watching. Have a great day.